Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can zoom in as well as zoom out in your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. So guys, if you're using Microsoft 365 and the associated Word application, there's a simple trick you may apply here. If you don't want to use that plus or minus icons or buttons in the top bottom right corner, for example, to zoom in, because that's not very convenient or comfortable, you may apply the following trick here. All you need to do, guys, is press and hold left control on your keyboard, and while doing that, simply move your mouse wheel back and forth to zoom out and to zoom in. And yeah, on a customizable level, as you can see, you can zoom in as much as you like, even up to 200% or 220, and zoom out again by moving your mouse wheel back, and so on and so forth, guys. So super convenient, as you can see, super comfortable, and that's how you do it in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.